continue. 11. An outstanding teacher may, if desires, forgo his honor with regard to any or all of the above matters, to any or all of his students. Even though he forgoes these honors, the student is obligated to respect him at the time he forgoes respect. Okay, so let's try to understand what it says here. So one more time. An outstanding teacher may, if he desires, forgo his honor. So meaning he said you're not obligated to stand. Well, I'm coming in, let's say in yeshiva, they sit around and learn. So he said it's disrespect to the Torah. Just continue learning. I just passing by. I have to talk to this person. That's it. Please sit down. Okay. So there is no problem. He has this right, and it's proper. So it says Kiddushin 32a relates a difference of the opinion between the sages concerning this matter. Rav Hizda maintains that the teacher is not entitled to forego his honor, because this honor is not due to him personally, but due to the Torah. So that's a very important concept. So we don't respect this teacher just because he's I don't know, because of some outstanding qualities. No, we respect this teacher because of his Torah knowledge. That's so right. So in some sense, what is it? Rav Hizda said. So he cannot forgo his respect. Respect is not for him personally as a person. Respect is the Torah knowledge. Okay, he's a container of the Torah knowledge, but the respect is to him, not to the vessel itself. So the vessel cannot forgo the honor. It's very interesting. Rabbi Yosef maintains that once he has mastered the subject matter he studies, it is considered of his own. So if he remembers everything by heart and he masters all of these details in such a subject, it's like becomes his own. He's one with the Torah knowledge. Okay. Hence, he's entitled to forgo the honor due to him because of it. So it's very like polar opposite concept, but meaning one said it's not yours. You're not you cannot forgo, and say no. In second opinion, Rav Yosef said no. It's actually yours. You became one with it, so you can forgo the honor because it's yours. So it was due to him 98. Continue. Actually, from the beginning, the outstanding teacher may, if he desires, forgo his honor with regard to all or any above matters, to any or all of his students. So it's very interesting. So he can select some students, right? Some close students to him. He can relax some requirements. So it says Kiddushin 33b relates that Rava and Rav Papa relax certain formalities and serve their students at weddings. Right, so maybe a student is getting married, so he would serve him, I don't know, pour him wine or whatever. Very interesting. So let's see. So to all or any of his students coming to him, he may restrict this leniency only to small number of students, or extend them to all as he desires. Maybe some close students or something. A note to chapter 7, Halachah 13, which does not allow the sage to forgo his honor after the public display of disrespect over him. So one more time, which does the one second, note chapter 7, Halachah 13. So we didn't get to it. Which does not allow the sage to forgo his honor after public display of disrespect over him. So if they disrespect him publicly, that's it. So all of these leniencies are cancelled. So it's we have to restore the honor due to the Torah. Right. So one more time the whole sentence. Even though he forgoes these honors, the student is obligated to respect him, right? That's the obligation. There is he must stand in front of him, right, and refrain from sitting in his place, and the like. The student's failure to do so would be considered an act of disrespect for the Torah, no more, no less, right? So the whole sentence, even though he forgoes these honors, the student is obligated to respect him at the time he forgoes respect. So the rabbi said, no, you don't have to stand. So you have to stand anyway. So let him tell you one more time not to stand. Our translation based of Avodah HaMelech, that text notes that apparent redundancy in Rambam's statement and explains that even if the teacher is willing to forego these minimal tokens of respect, the student is obligated to grant them to him, because it is improper for such respect not to be shown for the Torah. So again, we not show this respect to this teacher as an individual, but actually we show as respect to the Torah that he possesses. Okay, so we can stop here, I guess.